Hello viewers, I am back with another mind-blowing video on orange Moody effect in Adobe Lightroom. If you like the video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button and set the notification to all for getting my video first. So let's get started. First, import your image. I have already imported my image. As always, the link of this image and the final image is in the description. Now go to lights and decrease the highlights to -100 and increase shadows to +100 and set contrast as much you like. In my image I have set it 43. Now increase exposure to +0.40. I'm genuinely saying you it will enhance your image. See before and after, it is better than before. Now go to colors, increase temperature, unless the image being orangey. In my image I have set it to 6344K. Then increase tint to 26. And vibrance to 18. Now select color grading, then select red color and increase hue to +50. And luminance to 42. Now go to orange, decrease hue to -4, saturation to +15. And then luminance to 24. Then go to yellow color. Decrease hue to -73 and luminance to +100. At last select light green color, decrease hue to -100, saturation to +100 and luminance to +100. The part of color grading is over. Select the icon below the color. Increase texture to +10. Clarity to +10. Vignette to -12. Now go to detail section. Color noise reduction to +100. Increase sharpening to +46. Masking to +100. Now the editing is finish. This is orange Moody effect. If you like the video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.